So here you can see that I'm in my Polybuild tool and this is what I have. So if I were to go around right here and then let's say for example, work around with this. I'm just going to go around and click and drag this, hold control on my keyboard so that it snaps over here onto place. So while I actually go around and then pull out faces, let's say for example, if I were to pull around faces right here and pull around this face as well, they do not merge together automatically. So what I want to do is I want to enable Automerge, and for tracing techniques like this, Automerge is really helpful. So I'm going to go around over here onto Option, Automerge, and then let's say I'm going to increase the threshold right here onto 0.01 meters right here. So once I do that, I can go around, and then once I leave it right here, the Automerge feature will be there. So I'm just going to go around, hold control right here. Let me just keep it there, and there you go. This is merged around over here, as you can see. So I can go around and then click and drag this, hold control, and then click and drag this, hold control, leave it right here, and there you go. That is Automerged as well. Similarly, I can go around over here and then click and drag this. Let's say for example, hold control, click and drag this, hold control right here and leave it right there. That's Automerge. Click and drag it, hold control, and there you go. Now you can see that they appear as one sheet right here. So I can just go around, drag this out as well. Let's go around, drag this right here. There you go. Drag this right here, and there you go. Similarly, go around right here, click and drag this, there you go. And then click and drag this, there you go right here. And then click and drag this, there you go again. So once I do that, I can go around, hold control right here, and without having to manually work around with this, you can see that they all snap together without a problem. So just go around and then snap out together. And that is how you can work around with the Automerge tool while you're polybuilding so that the vertexes, they stick together. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.